Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500 E-mini futures. Let's start off on a 15-minute chart today and just kind of lay out where we've been and where we are. We've been talking about a range, and as it stands now, the bulls have broken out of the top of that range. Down here, 2066 to 67, the multiple tests here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All of those have created a floor at 2066 to 67, and that is something ultimately that the Bears would have to overcome if they're able to get back down there in the next 1 to 2 sessions. What we saw yesterday was very typical. We saw a pop off the open, traded as high as 81.5. We then pushed down. We pushed down into the 68 area, and at the time, you had the middle band at 68.25. You had our proprietary lower level at 68.5, and you had S1 support from the daily pivot down at 68. So just a lot going on at 68, which we had identified, and we wanted to see, look, if our proprietary level was going to hold this dip. We had tried along earlier, and we tried it again, and we were short from 80. What we ended up doing was getting along 69. We've taken a lot of profit. We're still long 69. We used last night, you see two potential floors here. As we popped off of this bottom, we frustrated everybody for about an hour here, and then we made two lows, 75 quarter, 75 quarter, and then they made the run at the top of the range. While doing that, it created the potential, just the potential for floors at both 75 quarter and 82 quarter, okay? With 82, 83 being the top of the range. So this way I would consider a breakout over the range. Last night, our subscriber webcast talked about how if we held this line, anybody that hadn't got in could get in now. So some people did some stuff overnight. Essentially, we are long. We've taken a lot of profits, but we're long. Our risk is out. If we continue to grind up today, we're just going to ride that wave. I would discourage anybody from trying to come in and short it just because it's up so much. I would expect that we get a couple good down moves today, but when those moves come, you need to get your profits out, get to even stop. Don't get super convicted on the bearish side. The bears have given you nothing to be convicted about since this inability. I should add another one here. Since the inability to get below 66, 67, multiple attempts at middle band. And, you know, the bears, to their credit, held 80 to 82 for a long time, but we're trading 90 now, as high as 90.5, trading 88.75, and you've got to respect that. So see what today brings. The bears need to defeat 82 quarter and 75 quarter. The bulls cannot lose 75 quarter today, especially on a closing basis. If they do, I think that'll bring about a retest of the floor Sunday night into Monday. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website. Check out the chat room. I'll be back Monday morning with another webcast. Have a fantastic weekend. And trade them well, everybody.